Today we're talking about the RV Boosted Cellular Wi-Fi kit using a Peplink router and the weBoost Drive Reach. Hi Kevin, can you help me understand what Boosted Cellular Wi-Fi is?
Yes, I can. We have several pieces here, and I'm going to start with explaining this piece. This is a Peplink MAX BR1 Mini Hardware 3 HW3 router. And this is a core component of cellular boosted Wi-Fi. This unit actually broadcasts Wi-Fi so that you can get it on your cell phone or your computer. It'll do Wi-Fi all day, but if it's not connected to the internet, it's not going to do you any good. So that's what the cellular part is. Within this router, there's a SIM card that connects you to your cellular provider, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, whichever one you have, so that the Wi-Fi that's being broadcast all over can be connected into the carrier, and the carrier then connects you into the internet. So this piece right here is really a self-contained cellular Wi-Fi system. Right now, you see a lot of cables. Might look a little bit confusing, but it's not. This type of router has been built for some speed. So there's two Wi-Fi connections here, and those Wi-Fi connections are MIMO, multi-in, multi-out, and that's used for speed. There's also two LTE connections, and those are the same thing. MIMO for multi-in, multi-out for speed. So this router is built for pretty good speed at a pretty good cost. Now, this puck antenna. This is an interesting add that Powerful Signal has done to this router, because usually you see routers like this and you show all the blades that come up off of the back of the router, and you see 4 or 5 different kind of blade antennas. But Powerful Signal has put a MIMO antenna on this, what we call a puck. So that this puck can be mounted in various places within your vehicle, your RV, your boat, or whatever. And so it adds some flexibility in that you can store this rather than just leave it out on your table, put it in the cabinet, mount the puck antenna under a cabinet, on a wall, on a roof, magnetically. So all sorts of different ways to mount this antenna. So this is the way you get Wi-Fi from the cellular network. Now, what happens when your vehicle, your RV, moves out into a real sketchy area with weak cell signal? So the cell signal will break down and not be able to connect to the internet. The Wi-Fi is still running, but you're not connected to the internet through the cellular service. Therefore, we bring in the boosted part. Reach, the weBoost Drive Reach cellular amplifier. And it has a variety of antennas we see over here, and this can be connected on the outside. These can be put on the outside of your truck, your RV, your car, your SUV, or whatever. So we won't talk about all the details of the antennas, but there's different kinds of antennas that can be used on your vehicle. Powerful Signal has picked the Reach, very powerful for uplink and downlink. In fact, that's why it's called the Reach, because it can reach towards distant towers really well. And so this amplifier provides a nice hotspot, tabletop in your RV or your boat or truck or whatever. And it gives you a really good, strong cell signal in this hotspot area. So we thought, why not use the Reach to create the hotspot so that the cellular modem has a good cell signal? And we have a really strong, dependable cell signal that can feed the router. So therefore we have cellular boosted Wi-Fi. Now, we've taken the factory antenna from the Reach, and we've put a puck on it, a pointing puck. Just like we put a pointing puck on the Wi-Fi, the 4G, the Peplink 4G modem here. So these just need to be in the vicinity of each other, 6, 7, 8 inches, something like that. So the boosted cellular Wi-Fi from the cellular amplifier is broadcasting a hotspot. The Peplink router, the LTE ports are pulling in that signal from the boosted Wi-Fi and allowing the modem, the Peplink modem, to connect to the internet. So really two separate systems, cellular booster, a Peplink router, merged together to form a really superior product, so that when you're out in distant areas or remote areas, you can stay connected for a longer period of time. So when you park your RV into a RV park that has moderate or weak cell signal, you're going to pick it up stronger. You're going to have your Wi-Fi. Probably what I would do in an RV is switch over to Wi-Fi calling, because that way all through your RV and probably for 40, 50, 60 feet around your RV, you're going to be able to pick up your Wi-Fi calling, because this is a pretty powerful unit that's going to broadcast Wi-Fi considerably. And it's coming off of this puck.
So this will improve both my Wi-Fi and my cell signal?
It will. Remember, this is a cellular booster. So if you're within a few feet, 4, 5, 10 feet from this puck right here, you could actually make a cell phone call under most conditions if there's a cell signal somewhat available in that area. Naturally, this is taking care of your Wi-Fi, and so it's going to be able to get you some really good distances around your RV and your Wi-Fi. Together, it's boosted cellular Wi-Fi. You're boosting the cellular for the Wi-Fi system.
So can I use one without the other?
Yes, they're two standalone systems. We actually sell these things separately for people that just want one or the other, so they can be used separately.
What are the differences between this kit and a standard cell signal booster kit or router?
Well, there's many different kinds of routers. Some of them are geared to just have a single antenna for a home or whatever. So this is really geared for mobility, and it's built for that. It's built for ruggedness and vibration and things like that. So that's the first difference. Over here, we've picked the amplifier that's got, and that has been well known for its ability to hit distant towers. So the idea is that we've picked the best components to make this kit probably one of the best you can get. It's going to provide the hotspot for the cellular or for the Peplink router.
This kit is not available from other resellers, so who would benefit most by using this boosted cellular Wi-Fi?
Well, you're right. This kit is not available from anybody. There's a lot of people that sell the Reach. There's a lot of people that sell the Peplink router, but you're going to get factory antennas. You're going to get just that little component. So Powerful Signal has created a kit that's only available on Powerful Signal. We've taken best-in-class antennas and we've replaced the factory standard antennas that you get with the kits, so that you have high-performance donor antennas for the outside of your RV or whatever, and you have very flexible, easily mounted antennas for the inside. So yes, you're right that no one sells this kit except Powerful Signal. Who benefits from it? Somebody that in an RV or a truck, a service vehicle, is out in the outskirts, like in the oil field or whatever, and they just need Wi-Fi to get out of their truck and go with their tablet and service something, or an RVer that's working from home that just needs the best cell signal they can possibly get, the best connectivity and the best Wi-Fi for multiple devices. So those are the kind of people that benefit from this cellular boosted Wi-Fi kit from Powerful Signal.
Thank you, Kevin. For more information, visit powerfulsignal.com.